Hello everybody, in this help video I'm going to look at downloading and installing and updating MTPredictor 8 to a newer build. You can see here I have MTPredictor 8 running. If I look up at the top here, I've actually got build 8.1.0.5. So it's 8.1.0.5 and I know that the latest version is 8.1.0.9, so I need to update to a newer version. Obviously as time goes on the build numbers will increment, so you'll be told what the latest version is. But this just shows you how to get the latest version and how to do the upgrade, which is very easy indeed. So you don't need to go to our website or anything. You can see I've got MTPredictor 8 open here. So if I go to the Help tab and I come down here to download, you can see we have a download option here. If I click on download, it will then open up a download option for the MTPredictor versions that you're licensed for, and in this case we're updating MTPredictor 8. So if I click on the little arrow, you can see that opens up and has the latest versions and a couple of old versions as well. And obviously as time goes on these numbers will increment as we issue new builds. But at this particular point in time I want to upgrade to our latest one. So I have a choice of the 64-bit or 32-bit. You choose which version is applicable to you for your PC. I've got a 64-bit PC, so I'm going to highlight the latest build for the 64-bit PC, which is that one, and then I'm then going to do download. It then gives you an option to download to your PC. The default one, it comes in on as a desktop, but you can choose your downloads folder there if you wish. You can just click on downloads and that'll go to your downloads folder. But I'm just going to put the installer program onto my desktop, so we'll go and find it in a minute. So after you've decided where you want to save your the installer file, then do save, and you can see it's now downloading, and now it's told you that download is complete. Do OK, and I can see it's actually appeared on my desktop, which is just outside the video. So now I'm going to cancel this, and now we have to close MTPredictor. So I'm just going to close MTPredictor. I'll just save my layout, which is fine. I'll close it, and you can see here's the installer that I've now dragged into the video. You can see there it is. There's the installer for the new version of MTPredictor 8. So what do we do now? We just double click on the installer and then just follow the instructions. Here we go, just follow the instructions, accept the agreement, next, just take the defaults as they are, don't need to change anything, next, 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 then install, and you can see it's going off to install. There it is, installing the latest version. Now do finish. It's put the icon out of the video, so I'll just drag the icon back into the video there, which is absolutely fine. If you want to now, you can delete this installer program. So if you just highlight it, right mouse click, and then do delete, it just deletes that installer program off your desktop just to stop cluttering things up. Right, now let's open the new version of MTPredictor 8. So if I double click on it to open it, it's now going to be opening it. And as you can see at the top there, you can see it's now up to 8.1.0.9. You can see at the top there, so it's updated to the latest version 8.1.0.9, and it really is just as easy as that to then update to the latest versions.